here. So this week I have a fun little challenge for you in your inversions and arm balances. So the first thing we're going to go into is Koundinyasana. I'll give you a couple of tips on how you can most easily get into this particular arm balance. And then from there, an option to make it a little bit more challenging, which is to go from Koundinyasana to pull the knee up and in, thread the leg in front of the arm for a new arm balance, Astavakrasana, and then take it back into Koundinyasana. Some things that I recommend: make sure that before you try this that you're warmed up, you've done some wrist warm-ups, shoulder warm-ups, make sure you've done some chaturangas, and also a few good lunges to make sure your legs are nice and strong. And then all you're going to need is 2 blocks. So let's start with the blocks. At the top of the mat, just hip distance or shoulder distance apart. And a little tip on using the blocks is if you want to just grab the top of the block with your fingers slightly on the outside, sometimes that can help protect the wrists. Otherwise, you might like to have your hands just flat on the blocks or even on the floor. But I do think that that couple of inches helps your arm balance. So here we go. We're going to curl your toes, lift your hips, coming into downward facing dog. I really like this approach from downward dog, although you can also do this from a lunge. But today we're going to start stepping the left foot in just a little bit. Raise your right leg high up towards the ceiling. From here, nice strong top leg. You're going to pull it up towards the right upper arm. Get it as high up the arm bone as you can. And as you lean yourself forward, bend the elbows just like you do in chaturanga. If you're losing a little bit of height on the arm, make sure that you step your feet in a tiny bit closer and be really courageous. You get to this point you think you can't go, and actually if you just bend those elbows just like in chaturanga, the elbow and the knee connect. Now lean forward, think all the work in the back leg that you can to push up into a nice floating position. You can straighten the right leg out for some fun, and let's go to the second set. Pull the left knee through, tuck it underneath, so that way you can get it into your Astavakrasana. Chest forward, eyes forward, squeeze those legs, pull back up and in, so the left knee moves into the chest. Keep the legs super strong, whoosh, out from the center, back into chaturanga, and then opening the heart, letting the wind fill up through the sails of the chest, and back to your downward facing dog. And breathe. Well done, you guys. That's our challenge for the week. And I look forward to catching you on the mat soon. Just a little heads up, I am going to be teaching an arm balancing workshop on the 20th of June, which I'm really excited about at Body Mind Life. So feel free to check that out.